My name's Jasper Byrne and I'm presenting Amnesia, which is a point-and-click adventure game a la Monkey Island that I've been working on. It's unfinished, but I just like to take you through the editor, which you can see here, and show you how the game is built. Basically, just putting a zone in here, adding the poster on the wall. So we put a description at the top. I've written the GUI myself. It's still got a few kinks in it, but basically it works pretty well. And the menus and scroll bars, and as you'll see later on, I've got code highlighting from my scripting language that I wrote for this game as well. So here we're just giving a description at the top, and at the bottom we've added a zone, condition onto this zone, which is called the poster, so that if you try and pull the poster, he will say, I would love to take it, etc, etc. So we're just setting up the hotspots and zone, which way you're facing, and there we go, it's in the game. So there's the description with the look at, and pull says that. So that's basically how we add stuff to the game. And I'll show you a couple more scenes. Here we have your apartment stairway, and we've got a few different zones in here. What I'd like to show you is how we've done the A-star pathfinding, which is sort of got weightings on it. So the yellow lines you can see there, he will try and keep to if he can. If not, he'll go over the darker colour. Now what I'm going to do, I'm having a look at the various zone conditions we've got on this slot here, and you can see how they work. If we try and use with nothing, it says with what money. If we try and use with an object that isn't the right one, it'll say I can't pay with that. All very simple to add. Just using use none or use all. So yeah, very simple. Here's another scene where we'll do something a little bit more complicated with it. So first of all, he's going to pick up this statue object, and with this altar here, we'd like to make a little bit of a puzzle. Not a full one for now, but I'll just show you how we go about doing something more complicated in the scripting language. Again, you can see the A-star pathfinding slow-mo here. That's just to show you how it works. We've got a character here, and we've got sort of pretty standard Monkey Island style dialogue trees. I also got under the hood is sort of an emotion system where characters are affected emotionally by each line that you can say, and that will in turn open up different dialogues. So here we've tried to, we've got a hint from the altar when we look at it, and it says that you might want to use something with it. At the moment we've got something special written about the statue in here. As you can see, use statue, and he'll say I don't think it's the right object or something like that. But let's say we want to put in the glass sphere, special condition for that. So we just change look at as the default. We pull down from the menu, use, and choose the object on the other button, glass sphere, which you've got in your inventory. So standard kind of thing. Just say a line of dialogue and it says strange when I bring this statue, etc. But then we're going to do something a little bit more clever with it. We'll see what we can do in my scripting language called HAL. So you can go right into the game as we've seen before, and I think I need to use something with it. Try using glass sphere, he says that. But then if we wanted to give you more of a hint, perhaps we could have a counter that every time you make that move, you use glass sphere with alter, the counter will increase. So the way we do that, we check if A is less than 3. A doesn't exist until the first time this script is run, and it's always initialized to 0 by default. And so here we've if it's less than 3, then it will go to a label that I'm going to put in at the bottom and skip that bit that I've just written. For example, if it's less than 3, it'll just add 1 to A, and if not, it will make a sentence out of the amount of times you've tried it. So doing it 3 times there, you see 3 times already, 4 times already. So we've got simple conditionals and what have you, and